Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Windows does not detect second display or second monitor in your Windows. Now, the first thing what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to disconnect all the monitors or disconnect all the cables which are connected to your laptop on the monitors. Clear the dust off, try to blow it with the dry air and take off all the dust from the connectors. Once you have cleared the dust, try to connect back and check if your monitors are connected. Now, in case if it works, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. The next method what you could also try is you can try to press Windows and letter P on your keyboard to get the project window. So Windows plus P as in Peter key. In this option, make sure you use an option which says extend with this, and also make sure your second monitor power has been turned on, and check if you're able to detect the displays. In case if it detects the displays, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. Now the third step what you could also do is you can also try to force detect your second monitor by doing a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you may go ahead and click on system. Under system, you may go ahead and click on display. Under display option, you may go ahead and choose to identify what displays are connected, and at the same time also click on multiple displays and use the option which says detect, and that should forcibly detect your second monitor. And check if your issue has been resolved. Now, in spite of trying all this, and if you're still facing a problem, the next method what I would suggest you to do is to check for the Windows updates and install all the available updates. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you may go ahead and click on Windows Update and then click on check for the updates. See if there are any updates to be installed on the computer. And at the same time, you may also go to the advanced option. Under advanced option, see if there are any optional updates available. You may click on it, and in case if there are any optional updates to be installed, go ahead and install those updates. Close this window, restart your computer, and then check if your second monitor is connecting to your computer. Now, this should definitely fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.